So we just spent 3 days in Stratton, and now we're heading back out the river to Grimolston. I think is how you pronounce it. Grimolston? I don't know. And we're gonna pick up a buoy there for the night, and then tomorrow go to Split to drop off the jib because it needs a couple of repairs. It's just old, and yeah, these works actually. And yeah, then we'll see where we go from there.
Down the Split. We dropped the jib off at the sailmakers and we hung around the local island for the week.
So we just spent the night on a buoy in front of the old town of Trogir, and we're going to go up to the fort on the top of the hill this morning, and so just coming to pick us up.
It's his body.
Woohoo! Good job. Put some light comes over this. Yeah.
It looks like just barely big enough for your neck.
Wat een plekje hoor. Kan me goed gebruiken voor die kinders van mij. Allemaal in een hokje.
So we just got back from the town, and I walked up to the top of the hill to the fortress. I'm getting ready to go to Trogir, so that'll be a couple hours sail. There's some nice wind, so we might actually get to use the sails. What are you doing?
Getting socks on.
Why?
Because I can slip and slide.
This is the new game. The boat is going so sideways you can't really walk up with socks. Now the sock game gets an upgrade.
Perfect.
Hey.
Bang. I'm to go. Goodbye.
So we changed directions, and now we're going between some islands. So Papa pulled the sails down and started the motor. There's a lot of wind coming from the front, so we're only going about 5 knots. So we still have another, let's see here, hour to go till we get to Trogir. We have to go Trogir's right there, so we still have another hour to go around the island right there. The boys are getting ice cream. Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, I think that's really good.
Is it yummy, Peen? We zijn aan het voorbereiden om weg te varen. Goed, en er zijn wat zeilclubjes hier aan het oefenen. Dus, een beetje grijzig weer, maar het is toch mooi met die voortuig. So Hava just got an email from the sailmakers saying that we'll get the jib back on Monday, and right now it's Friday, so this weekend we're just going to go anchor in some different bays. We have to hang out in the area, and then we'll go back to Split, I think, and pick up the sail. But first we have to go to the fuel dock and fuel up the boat, so that's where we're heading now.
It's just raining and cold over here.
Oké.
Alright.
Yeah!
Mooi tegen de windkracht in lichaam.
I know.
We're going 10 kunas per nautical mile. Would you care to explain that?
I'm very confused too.
Okay, we're making another little hop on the motor over to a bay right outside the little town of Milno. It's about, I think, 45 minutes away. And yeah, we're just eating lunch. And Lucas is in charge of the steering wheel right now, which doesn't seem like the smartest idea to me right now. See? And the little boys are playing games. I was reading a book, or looking at me. Oh wait, no, you're also playing games. Okay. Yeah, it's Saturday, which means in our family that you get an hour, or actually more like 3, on the iPads to play whatever games you want to play.
Come on. 4 hours.
Nou, we gaan zo dicht mogelijk met het strandje. Dat is leuk. We kunnen niet met...
Oh yeah.
Well, combination of lighter weight paddleboard too. Peony, what are you making?
Delicious.
Oh,
Even
lekker.
het, Hey jongens, we gaan onze grill zo klaarzetten daar.
Woohoo!
Op het eiland. In het baantje op het strandje. We
Oh,
gaan straks lekker grillen.
lekker.
Heerlijk.
So in Croatia they have a lot of little mini cruise ships that sail around in this area. So this one just arrived here, presumably from Split. And we're really hoping they don't decide to have a barbecue for their passengers here at our beach, because that's what we wanted to do tonight. I like how she's multitasking.
She can already do everything.
Captain staat daar.
So the people on the boat are having a wedding.
Ik wil ook weer een wedding doen, dat lijkt me heel leuk. Oh,
Woohoo!
super. Hij stuurt gewoon zijn pijlen af, joh. Kijk daar, dat is zo'n reddingspijl.
Oh ja.
Oeh, boven het eiland. Gaat allemaal in de fik straks.
Oh yikes. One of the flares is landing in the trees over there.
Nog meer.
Oh, well, that seems mine.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Okay, so there might be a fire in the trees now from that flare.
This is about the small forest fire starting. I'm not sure if I'm calling the right number for that.
We can really hear the flames now.
Okay.
Like you can hear all the fire crackling and everything. Thomas and Lawrence are sitting on the shore like, what in the world is happening?
Nee, dat kan je helemaal niet.
So Papa called the fire department, or the emergency number, which in Europe is 112, or at least in this area of Europe. And so it sounds like they might be sending someone out. A lot of the smoke is gone, so that's good. But it's always good to call just in case. And yeah, but we were gonna grill kebabs on the grill on the beach, but because of the circumstances, Papa decided we're just gonna do it on the back of the boat like we don't usually do. So we had already put the grill and some blankets and stuff on the beach, but Papa's gonna go pick Thomas and Lawrence up and all that stuff and bring it back to the boat. So we'll have dinner here tonight.